All right, I am so excited because I got some packages in the mail today. All right, let's see what we have. I cannot wait to do a desk makeover. I'm in desperate need of help with my desk. Check it out. It needs help. It needs to level up. I have all my film equipment, etc. So let's see how this goes. All right, first up we have the laptop stand. So excited for this. It's going to be amazing. Okay, next we have, I cannot wait to see what this one looks like. The phone stand. Oh, I forgot about this. Pens. Grovemade just started making pens. Plants for all my cute succulents. Oh gosh. Oh, I forgot. Keyboard holder. What's this? Oh, this is crucial. Wrist rest for my overworked wrists. All the designing I do. Oh my gosh, this must be the pen. Next, we have the desk pad. It's super cool. Don't even need a mouse pad anymore. Awesome. The phone holder in this amazing walnut and brass. That's gonna look incredible on my desk. All right, I think these are the succulent holders. I'll open them later. I think that's all. All right, let's put everything together. I am loving how this turned out so far. Check it out. All right, let's take a closer look here. So we've got this gorgeous walnut stand that the monitor goes on. And the cool thing is I can just tuck the keyboard away if I want to do some writing or something like that. Little wrist protector there. I really like that I don't need a mouse pad anymore because I've just got that happening. All right, and over here we have a lot going on, but we have this really gorgeous pen with reusable or refillable ink, so that's awesome. And then back there, the little iPhone stand, and then we have a succulent thing. I really like this because this is removable. And then we have this pen holder or whatever you want to put in there. It's divided so you can keep things separate, which I really like. I gotta figure out how to arrange all this, but honestly, overall, once I take care of the cables, it feels a lot cleaner, more functional storage under the monitor, which I'm really excited about. All right, it's been a few weeks since I got my desk all set up, so I thought I'd give you a quick tour of what it's like in real life. All right, so here's the full setup, and obviously real life, I've not got around to organizing the cables and all of that stuff, but overall, it's so much more functional. It feels so much cleaner, easy to find everything, tuck things away when I don't need them. I really, really love this little storage space below the monitor where I keep hand cream and lip gloss and matches and my handy dandy stress soccer ball, which I use all the time. Anyway, I also love the keyboard holder. I had to actually buy a new keyboard because mine didn't fit. So you have to make sure you have this super slim one, whatever that's called, from Apple. And whoops, it tucks right in there. I still need to plant my little plants over there in the plant holder and the pen holder. I love. I use the pen all the time. I didn't think I would, but overall, love it. And side note, this is a standing desk by a company called Flexi Spot. I will make sure I link it below. It's not part of Grovemade. It's a totally different company, but that's my setup. I love it. Let me know if you have any questions. Huge shout out to Grovemade for hooking me up with all of these awesome desk accessories. If you have any questions, let me know and check the link below to find out more about all of these.